Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm here with another video. So actually I'm on a solo ride. I'm heading to a nearby dam. So I started from Kormangalam and I'm going to Hosur. Um, so the dam name is Kelavarapalli Dam. It's just about 10 kilometers from the Hosur junction. You will have to take a deviation towards left side from Hosur market and go further, and you will have another deviation towards the right side. The place itself is known as Kelavarapalli. That's the main road. So it's just a tourist attraction place, but it's also a peaceful place wherein you can go with your family, with your kids. I wouldn't say that it's a very clean place where you can go near to the reservoir and chill there. I wouldn't recommend it because it's completely of dirty water, I believe. So I think there is no point in recording something here. I'll catch you guys when I take a deviation from the Hosur highway, and I'll let you know the routes. I'll also put the location in the description box. So 0.5 kilometers left is Hosur town. So you don't have to take the flyover. You will have to take the service road and pass through the market. Take a left from the GRT Jewelers. So there was a slight roadblock while I was coming, so I couldn't record anything there. And also I had to stop in between because all of a sudden it started raining. So like I said, the moment you take a left deviation from GRT Jewelers, you have to come further for like 500 meters or something, and then take a right from the Chroma store, which will be towards your left side. Also looks like they are carrying Ganesha, so they are having fun. Left Bagalur, Sarjapur, Kelavarapalli Dam right. I hope I can take some good drone shots since it's rained, and it should be looking great with the black tar road and the contrast of green. That color combination should be fine. Let's see. Alright, so that's about it. I'm heading back to Bangalore now. One last view with my Dominar. Looks like the children's park is getting some work done, some renovation there, since I couldn't get inside the dam, or else I could have done that as well. Anyways, it's time to leave this place and head back to Bengaluru. Let me keep rolling. So that's about it for today in this video. I hope you liked the drone shots. Please do convey your feedbacks in the comment section below. I think it's 6:29 now. So if I start now, I should be reaching my place around an hour something, by 7:30 probably. Yeah. So like I said, please do take care of the earth. Do not litter, do not throw wastes, plastics, bottles, beer bottles. Let's keep the place clean, right? With that note, I'm ending this video here. Please do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, it's Lenz and he signing off.